Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Montgomery County and southeastern Texas until noon Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Conroe, Pinehurst, the Woodlands, Panorama Village, Magnolia, and Stagecoach. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.